how to file business taxes for LLC using your TurboTax account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will just have to search for business taxes for LLC TurboTax, then open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now the taxability will depend on the number of people in your limited liability company, and after you reach up on this page, you can just simply click on this option of start for free, and you would only be requiring to pay the tax fee or the other fees of TurboTax when you pay the tax actually. So just simply click on this option of start for free, and you can check out some other details as well. Now here it would ask you to create your business profile. Now simply provide all the details regarding your business, like your business name, email, address, and all sort of details. After that, you would just have to follow the steps given by TurboTax and provide all the details that are being asked. And you would also be provided with the different forms according to your business requirements, and this way you would be able to file the taxes. And this is how you go with TurboTax. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.